All right, Derek, today's question. It is the biggest one that everybody has to ask. Why should I hire an attorney?
Well, first of all, it's Casual Friday.
It is Casual Friday. Yes.
We're in the coats and ties and dressed up, so we enjoy a Friday afternoon. Well,
That's right.
The beginning of the answer starts with statistics. The Insurance Research Council released a statistic recently that said that people who hire an attorney after a car wreck claim or any other kind of personal injury claim wind up with anywhere between 3.5 to 3.75 times more money in pocket, even after attorney's fees and expenses. Now, that's done by an attorney by identifying all negligent parties, and as part of that, all available insurance coverage. There's sometimes hidden policies, hidden parts of the policies that people may not realize. We analyze the scene, we analyze the facts, we analyze the details of how the wreck occurred, whether there's a DUI, a hit and run, reckless driving, things of that nature that can add value to the claim. We also communicate directly with the insurance company. Part of my job is to be a filter. I know what they need to know, and more importantly, I know what they don't need to know. When they talk to someone who's not represented by an attorney, many times the questions are geared more towards finding out information that could later on be used against someone as opposed to for someone. In other words, to minimize the value as opposed to maximize the recovery. Next, we make sure that they get the treatment they need, whether it's testing, physical therapy, any surgical intervention, anything necessary to help them recover completely from their injuries. So our objective is to make sure they get the treatment they need, and then once the treatment's over and done with, make sure everything is documented well, and then put together a demand letter to effectively negotiate and obviously seek the maximum compensation in the case. We utilize any and all insurance coverage, whether it's medical payment coverage or health insurance, any other programs we refer to as collateral sources, so that those can also be used to pay any part of the claim and again, maximize recovery in pocket. And then finally, if the insurance company does not pay a fair value, we can and we will file suit. And I will be the attorney to file that suit. And ultimately, if it goes to trial, I will be the attorney there in the courtroom with you as your communication vehicle to effectively communicate to that jury exactly what happened, again, in such a way to maximize your recovery.